Developments in Washington today as the historic hearing gets underway on Capitol Hill. President Biden's selection for the Supreme Court. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson will face questions from the Senate Judiciary Committee. She's the first black woman nominated in history to the nation's highest court. All of this unfolding as Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas is in the hospital. We're told he has flu-like symptoms, and our Joe Khalil is on Capitol Hill with more on these developing stories. Joe.
Yeah, good morning, Adrienne. Today, the first day for those hearings for Ketanji Brown Jackson, hoping to become Justice Jackson. Last week, we heard a lot from Democrats and Republicans, both lavishing praise on her for being intelligent, for her qualifications. On paper, basically the perfect resume for the Supreme Court. But there are going to be some Republicans that push back in these hearings on her confirmation today, and we did get a preview of what that pushback is going to look like.
It's likely the beginning of a historic week. Senate Democrats moving to confirm Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, the first black female nominee to the Supreme Court.
It's an important moment, a historic moment. If she is successful, I think she will be.
Dick Durbin, chairman of the Senate Judiciary Committee, tells us he knows he'll have the support of his own party, hoping at least some Republicans approve Judge Jackson as well.
How important is it to you to have bipartisan support for a nominee like this?
That's my goal, and I think it's good for the Judiciary Committee, it's good for the Senate, and it's really good for the Supreme Court. There was a time when that was assumed, that there would be bipartisanship in this selection, but it's become much more partisan. I hope we get back onto the path of bipartisanship.
But bipartisanship is far from a guarantee. Senator John Barrasso says Judge Jackson's hearings will be respectful and fair. But some Republicans are already laying the groundwork to criticize Jackson for her tenure as a public defender, working at times with Guantanamo Bay detainees. Others are building a case that Jackson was soft on crime, specifically child pornography crimes. Meantime, a stark reminder how quickly the power dynamic on the court can change. Sunday, conservative Justice Clarence Thomas was hospitalized with flu-like symptoms, though he is expected to be released soon.
And the Supreme Court confirmed that Justice Thomas is expected to get out of the hospital in 2 days and that he does not have COVID. They wanted to make that very clear. Oh, look, if Judge Jackson becomes Justice Jackson and is on the Supreme Court, that doesn't change the power dynamics. It's still a 6-3 conservative majority. But if something were to happen to Justice Thomas, where his health would not allow him to be on the court anymore, that would shift the power. That's why this news yesterday about his health really got a lot of headlines and shook certainly all of the observers of the court, Adrienne.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.